even recording.
Wow.
Holy crap. Is this amateur hour? Okay. So what I've done so far is I've dermaplaned and I've moisturized and I got rid of the dead skin and the scraggly hairs. You look good, babe. God, he smells so good. Guys, this is what he's wearing. No, like this Dior smells so freaking good. Holy crap. So you can see I have some redness on my face, and that is because I have eczema, and it's not terribly severe, but you know, we move on with life and we do what we can. So now that I've properly primed with the Danessa, this is a great product if you really want to get into your pores and fine lines. I find that it lays down the foundation really good. Now I know that we have some products that are not totally human rights approved, and I'm going to finish up the products that I have. Say what?
Turn into a Mexican party now.
A Mexican party? Yay! Fiesta! I'm going to use the products that I have and then find something that is not engaging in unfair, unethical human rights. So anyway, now I'll take one of these sponges, and I get these for literally the whole bag for $5 at Five Below, latex free, and I love it. So I will soak that. So I have pretty dry skin, and what I want to do is, they say to put like a layer of water and wet your sponge every time. So what I'll do is I'll cover up my reds, my red spots, like so, and under eyes. If I have any blemishes, I have a blemish underneath here. Just anything I want to cover. And honestly, please don't come after me with how I do my makeup. I'm not technically trained. I've just been using the school of YouTube to learn how to do it. I've also taken some classes when I was enrolled at John Casablanca's, and I did modeling and acting and makeup. So yeah, the face is looking just like a touch more even. I'm not going to suggest buying from Estee Lauder because I recently found out that they use child labor to make their products, and I'm not about that. But unfortunately, it's a beautiful product, and I've been using them since I was 16, and I haven't really switched foundations. So if you have any recommendations as to something else that is more ethical and of equal quality, I would like to know. Babe, come here again. You gotta make the announcement.
Yes.
Okay, now we're actually recording. Ooh. Guys, this is Mike Maddox, aka my future husband, aka my boyfriend, aka 10 plus year experienced DJ, also 7 in.
Hello, Chewy Cinco. It is your boy Mike Maddox, and we are doing a holiday set, Memorial Day weekend 2026, Phoenix, Arizona, Yo. 12th Street and Indian School. Let's go!
Let's go, baby! El Ocho y Cinco, the 85. Woo! Anyway, clip that bad boy on there. You're good at announcements, babe.
I'm good?
Yeah, you're good at that. Okay, foundation is laid. I just make sure I check my temples. I check around my earlobe and my jawline, because you don't want to be caught with harsh lines. No harsh lines. Just beat it to heck. Then I'll take, well, this is what I use for. This is the Dior Backstage, and then I am using another Dior concealer. I do really like their products. I really hoped, I haven't even looked about the ethics behind it. I just watched a documentary. BBC made a documentary on perfumes and where they source Egyptian jasmine. It is so sad. Unless you're mentally ready to deal with that, I would not watch that documentary. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. But it's definitely good to be informed, because as a consumer, we want to make sure that we put our money in the hands of people who are not greedy. Anyway, also before my makeup routine, I whiten my teeth. I use this Crest emulsions. Been using that. Now that we've laid out the base, now it's time to put on all the fun shit. Where are my brushes? I don't use a ton of products, to be honest with you. I used to. I do have a lot in my arsenal, but I don't use a lot. You don't need much. And I feel like the older I get, the more I just want to simplify what I'm doing. I got it down though. And makeup's supposed to be fun. That shit's supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be freaking stressful. Titties. So tonight, as DJ Mike Maddox was saying, we're going over to our friend Christian's house. Ladies, he's single. He's got a house. He's tall. He's kind. He has a house. And we're friends with him. So you'll definitely see him in a future vlog. Hey, I'm vlogging. I have to cut that out.
Censor that.
I'm gonna censor that. Maybe I'll get caffeine wasted. Caffeine wasted. Safety first. Just get a ride share. If you're
the weekend where like they'll nail you for anything.
The police are gonna nail you on holidays, so just make sure to get a ride share. It's just better. It's just better for you. Okay, after I've tight lined and I use the retractable ELF retractable eyeliner, I will go in with this Physicians Formula liquid eyeliner, and oh my god, it is so good. It was expensive, I'm not gonna lie. She was like $22. I wasn't happy about that, but I'm love how she performs. I'm very happy. So I'm going to make it more thick, that way I can put on some lashes. But what do you call fake lashes? What's your word for them? He calls them, yeah, the fake lashes. He calls them, yep. Yep, I've had this Morphe palette forever, and it used to have highlighters and other bronzer, but baby, I'm gonna close the door so I can properly record. Anywho, lay on the blush, and I'm not shy about the blush. It is the first thing to disappear. This is also Dior blush. Love her. She is Rosy Glow. I put that just on the apples. If you put your blush right underneath your bags, your designer bags, the bags won't be as prominent from what I've learned. I will do a freckle stamp. I will lay it on like this. Oh my gosh, you guys, you need to meet my dog. You need to meet my doggy. So we just layer it on like that. And I do more than less. I just do more because you can blur it out. And I focus kind of on just around the nose, the eye. I'll do the tip of the nose too. Give it more natural pattern. Then I'll take another freckle stamp one that's a singular point, which is essentially just a brown liquid eyeliner. And I will dab her everywhere, kind of fill in the gap so it looks more natural. And I'll put a heart stamp there, a heart stamp on my cheek. There we go. Okay, let's blend her out a bit so she's not so crazy. Titty girl. Titties. Hey mama, what are you doing? Hey. Oh wait, I want you to meet my dog. Come here, mama. Come here. Oh, big girl. This is my Chowini. Say hi, my Chowini. Say hi, Titties. Oh, you wanna be beautiful? Thanks for joining us. I want to take the big floofy brush and bronze just the perimeters of my face. I'll do also over the nose and cheek too. And because I do have a big old blemish, but underneath, I don't really care, whatever. It's fine. I'll put on mascara. We'll take our mini torture device. Curl the lashes. I hold it for about, literally not that long. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like literally an 8 count. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got titty hair on my face. I use L'Oreal's Telescopic. L'Oreal, I wish you were more ethical in your business practices. Oh, hello. What this step does, I do it warm and it melts everything together so it looks really laid down. Whoa! Now we're just gonna look hella awake. Super strong black lash glue. Everything about me is 100% natural. 100%. I've gotten Botox once, and that's not a flex. I'm just being so for real. Any enhancements that I do, it's usually things that are not permanent. So that's lashes, nails, things of that nature. God, I so wanted a boob job for the longest time. And a labiaplasty. I really wanted that too, because I just wanted to have, I think they call it a Barbie gina, a Barbie poussoir, where it's literally so perfect and it looks like a mini pork bun and it's not like, wah, like out loud and proud. But I just accepted that it's okay to be an outie. It's okay to be an innie. However God made you. We're almost ready. We just gotta put some product in our hair, get changed, and then we'll be headed out. Okay. So after I've laid down the lash, I will go back in with my eyeliner and I will draw over top of it just to seal her in. Make it so cohesive. Pink shimmer, like very, very light pink. It's so subtle and it looks so cute on the inside. There we go. Hey, brush our teeth. I like to get rid of any dead skin. Lip products will lay better. Do a little highlight. Highlight moment. Oh, that is so lovely and subtle. I don't contour my nose. I've already done enough by freckling it. Wet the hairs. Aveda products that I just got. This I've actually had for a little bit. Daily moisturizing treatment. Put it especially like towards the ends. I'll put that on the length of my hair. My hair is naturally really wavy or curly even, depending on. So I put about bigger than a golf ball size. Baby's listening to some dubstep or drum and bass out there. Oh yeah, some D&B, baby. Dubstep. I don't know how they're laying down. They're kind of funky today. That's not too bad. Is that the best I can do today? A million products. My lips. I'll use brown eyeliner. Yeah, I use black brown eyeliner. Whatever you use for your eyebrows. I'll put this on for a little red. It's like a MAC balm. Charlotte Tilbury. I'm trying to hurry. Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk 2. The last thing I'll do is the gloss. Any clear gloss will do that you like. Oh! Spray my face one more time. Okay, am I beautiful?
Hell yeah. Fuck yeah.
He said, fuck yeah. He said I'm beautiful. Okay, what am I gonna wear? Now I just gotta figure out what to wear. Okay. What to wear, I don't know. I'll show you the outfit when I'm all done. Alright, this is the outfit. What do we think? Really basic. Linda. She looking okay?
Linda with care. Remember your flash drive.
Oh yeah, my flash drive. I need to go get that.
That's what I said.
Everything I need. Phone. Flash drive.
They have good songs on here though. Let's see.
It's kind of... Hey.
That can always be an
You need more lighting up top. I have that light.
Worse. I can get closer. I can actually do a wide.